Punk yellow fur, dressed in feathers, you blowing from the blue like a mobile text message scrambled in mid-air. You scamper like a gas leak through a hole in the cage of space and time to fly free in a front room. Hop between the dimensions of bookcase and windowsill and framed prints of an English summer in blossom. Stand at the mirror and mime as your double sings Mozart. There are voices in the air all around you. Skylarks are slower though. Balloons have less colour. Sopwith camels loop the loop less alarmingly. Aliens have duller technology, and angels hold no candle to the choirs in your head. Your voice is light from your own star, hitching a ride up a scroll of tones you've stored in your memory, like phone numbers or previous lives. Blow permission to land and such earthling stuff. Shake the yellow feather duster of yourself at the world's cobwebs. Dance to the magic flute and morph some more like you did last summer. Last of the witches with a Pendle backyard brew. Artist and maker of walking self-portraits. Queen of the small hours and of the unsingable. Manchester tart in leopard skin tights and blowjob lipstick. Manifest your many forms. But here's how I'll remember you. Sun yellow, rising before the world's ready, diary blank as a crow's purse, dream driving your voice, weighing about half a gram, singing for the sky beyond the cage.
Yeah.